Hello guys, today's video we are talking about demonic armadillo and know about all key features of demonic armadillo powers, abilities and origin. So without getting late, let's get start the video. Demonic armadillo was originated by powerful gods to protect their treasures from their thieves, and he was the guardian of 1,000 years, can guard them gold and treasures of gods. He was a protector of the temple and ancient god temples when the people not destroyed them. His height is 8 feet tall and he was heavier than normal human because his weight is around 500 to 600 kilogram. And they have physical strength and superhuman durability and superhuman strength. He was immortal and he can't die. And he has some curse power. When people stealing their gold, he can active and destroy them. And he have powers and abilities like super speed, super stamina, super endurance, durability, super strength, enhanced senses, night vision mode, temperature manipulation, better resistance, and psychic power that to make invincible creature. So that all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks watching my video.